United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 275, Establishment of National Centers, 1. States, directly or through competent international organizations and the authority, shall promote the establishment, particularly in developing coastal states, of national marine scientific and technological research centers and the strengthening of existing national centers, in order to stimulate and advance the conduct of marine scientific research by developing coastal states, and to enhance their national capabilities to utilize and preserve their marine resources for their economic benefit. 2. States, through competent international organizations and the authority, shall give adequate support to facilitate the establishment and strengthening of such national centers, so as to provide for advanced training facilities and necessary equipment, skills and know-how as well as technical experts, to such states, which may need and request such assistance.